Okay, welcome to the personal property tour for Thistle Cottage, Cupar Road in Kennoway. Now, you would never know this place existed, because I tell you what, it's not even on the main road, it's off the beaten track. It's beautiful inside, it is gorgeous. It's a 2-bedroom bungalow. It has potential to go right down to the bottom, and I'll show you at the end what I mean by that, to extend into the bottom. But it's a gorgeous property inside. Let me show you where it is. So just at the top of there, you can see the Cupar Road going all the way past in Kennoway, and then here we are down here. So you come all the way down here, and this is off to your right hand side. Goes all the way back there, by the way back. It's a huge depth here. See that going all the way back, all the way along there, and we're going to be in there. That's where the living room is. And then you've got off-street parking as well, so it's quite a big plot. And then you've got all that place up there. You could probably take that all back and repurpose it for something else, but you've got this beautiful stone chipped area here. Kitchen's there as well. Kitchen's gorgeous. And then you've got that drying area as well. Let's go in to the front door first, and then we'll go up the side door at the kitchen and patio doors. So as we walk in, now this immediately tells you, look, composite door. Anybody that puts a composite door in, really going to have a high standard of house. But I love the colour schemes in here as well. Don't know about you, but I do. Now, in this cupboard off to my right hand side here, you have storage in there, but you've also got the wall mounted combi condenser boiler. And then down the one to my left, as we go down the steps, we've got a double bedroom off to the side here. So a good sized double bedroom. And then into our living room at the front, where we'd shown you at the end. So really good sized living room. You've got that bay style window to the front there. As we pull back, and then we'll pop up and we'll look onto my left hand, my right hand side actually, get my bearings right. And then you'll see this beautiful 4-piece bathroom. This is pretty luxurious, I would say. Now you've got your rainfall shower overhead thermostatic in there with your wet wall. Nice good size corner shower unit, and then you've got your corner bath as well with your shower head attachment, and then your vanity unit with your inset sink and WC separate to there. And then off into this bedroom to the rear, the final bedroom, and you've got good size space here overall. And the final bedroom, really good size. Love this colour scheme actually. And then off into the dining kitchen. So good sized dining kitchen. You can see plenty of space for table and chairs, and then breakfast bar over there as well. Now let me just take you around here, and you've got plenty of space overall. You've got a wash machine in there integrated, you've got your Belfast sink, you've also got a dishwasher there, slimline. You can see it's telling you how long it's got to go on the bottom there. Space for a range cooker you can see as well, and then space for a freestanding American style fridge freezer. Let's look at this at a different angle. You can see that LED lighting along the bottom as well. Beautiful, isn't it? As we look round, love the colour scheme. Okay, patio door out to the side. Scotland Park just over there, but the great advantage of that is no one's going to build in front of you. So you've got this open sunshine coming all the way around here, when the clouds are away, by the way. We're sitting at 12:30 just now, so we're round about here for the sun. So there's south, so you probably come up over there and come all the way around there. So it's going to stay on here most of the time. So this is the perfect place probably to sit and enjoy a wee glass of wine, maybe a glass of whiskey, depending, or a cup of coffee, a cup of tea. Perfect. And then you can see, as I said, there's the off-street parking, and then your drying area to the side there. Now, potential, what I said to you in the beginning, and I'd actually pointed this out, right there. That is the living room at the front. You saw the sitting room. So when you look at that and you look what's underneath, there's a huge amount of space under there. This could be repurposed or redeveloped for something else, subject to permissions, for the building controller maybe. Maybe that's what you'll need. So you could potentially do something with that, although it's beautiful as it is, if that's what you're looking for. Okay, let's just recap. Beautiful detached 2-bedroom bungalow, as you can see. This perfect off-street parking off the main road. That's what you want. Nice and quiet and peaceful. Relax. Finished to a high standard inside, you can see that, absolutely gorgeous. Local amenities, good local primary school here. You've also got the shops down at the main street there, and you've also got the bus station down there as well, so you can get easy access and buses and all the rest of it. If commuting's your thing and you've needing a train station, well, train station will be going at Cameron Briggs soon, so that's easy access into there, park and ride in the train station, or you can go to the train station leaving as well, which will appear soon as well in spring of 2024. Okay, there's more details on this post. Click on the link above or below if you need to see the photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.